Important questions for quarterly exam from textbook. By Shiran Ma'am. My mother at 66. 1. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? Though, why are the young trees described as sprinting? 3. Why has the poet brought in the image of the merry children spilling out of their homes? 4. Why has the mother been compared to the late winter's moon? 5. What do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify? 6. What were the poet's feelings at the airport? How did she hide them? 7. How does the poet try to put away the thoughts of her aging mother while driving to Kochi airport? The last lesson. 8. What was Franz expected to be prepared with for school that day? Though, what did Franz notice that was unusual about the school that day? 3. What had been put up on the bulletin board? 4. What changes did they order from Berlin cause on school that day? 5. How did Franz's feelings about M. Hamel in school change? 6. Why did Franz not want to go to school that day? 7. What tempted Franz to stay away from school? 8. What was unusual about M. Hamel's dress on his last day in the school? 9. Why the order from Berlin is called a thunderclap by Franz? Thus, why were the villagers sitting in the classroom? 11. Who did M. Hamel blame for the students' poor performance in study? 12. How did M. Hamel praise the French language? Keeping quiet. 8. Do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? Though, what is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? 13. What symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? 4. How would keeping quiet affect the life in and around the sea? 5. Life is what it is about. How is keeping quiet related to life? 6. Why does one feel a sudden strangeness on counting to 12 and keeping quiet? 7. How will keeping quiet protect our environment? The Lost Spring. 8. What does the writer mean when she says Sahib is no longer his own master? Though, how is Mukesh different from the other bangle makers of Firozabad? 13. What does the title Lost Spring convey? 4. Who is Mukesh? What is his dream? 5. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Why not? 6. Mention any two problems faced by the bangle sellers. 7. Why did Sahib's parents leave Dhaka and migrate to India? A thing of beauty. 8. What pleasure does a beautiful thing give us? Though, are beautiful things worth treasuring? 13. What image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? 4. Why is grandeur associated with the mighty dead? 5. How long do we experience things of beauty? The Lost Spring. 8. What does the writer mean when she says Sahib is no longer his own master? Though, how is Mukesh different from the other bangle makers of Firozabad? 13. What does the title Lost Spring convey? 4. Who is Mukesh? What is his dream? 5. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Why not? 6. Mention any two problems faced by the bangle sellers. 7. Why did Sahib's parents leave Dhaka and migrate to India? The rat trap. 8. From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? Though, why was he amused by this idea? 13. Did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality which he received from the crofter? 4. Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? 5. Why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? 6. Did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? 7. What made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into rat trap? 8. Why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? No. Why did the peddler deny his invitation? Thus, what caused the peddler to accept Edla Wilmanson's invitation? The third level. 8. What does the third level refer to? Though, would Charlie ever go back to the ticket counter on the third level to buy tickets to Galesburg for himself and his wife? 13. How did Charlie reach the third level of the Grand Central Station? 4. Why doesn't Charlie consider stamp collecting habit a way of escapism? 5. What things at the third level of the Grand Central Station made Charlie ascertain that he had reached the 1894 world? 6. Why did Charlie run away from the third level? 7. What is referred to as a temporary refuge from reality? Why? The enemy. 8. Who was Dr. Sadao? Though, why was Dr. Sadao kept in Japan and not sent abroad with the troops? 3. Where did Dr. Sadao and Hannah meet? 4. In what condition did Dr. Sadao and Hannah find the white man at the seashore? 5. What did Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the man? 6. What was the reaction of the servants when they were told about the wounded white man? 7. How did Dr. Sadao help Tom, the white man, to escape? Journey to the end of the earth. 8. How do geological phenomena help us to know about the history of humankind? Though, what are the indications for the future of humankind? 10. The world's geological history is trapped in Antarctica. How is the study of this region useful to us? 4. What are Jeff Green's reasons for including high school students in the Students on Ice expedition? 5. Take care of the small things and the big things will take care of themselves. 6. What is the relevance of the statement in the context of the Antarctica environment? Indigo. 8. Why did the servants think Gandhi to be another peasant? Though, what did the British landlords want the pigeons to pay as rent? 10. What would be the impact of synthetic indigo on the prices of natural indigo? 4. Why did Gandhi agree to a settlement of 25% refund to the farmers? 5. How did this episode change the plight of the peasants? 6. How was Gandhi able to influence lawyers? 7. Why did Gandhi consider the Champaran episode to be a turning point in his life? 8. Why did Gandhi chide the lawyers of Muzaffarpur? The Tiger King. 8. What were the different names given to the king of Pratibandhapuram? Though, how did the Tiger King acquire his name? 10. When he was only 10 days old, a prediction was made about the future of the Tiger King. What was ironic about it? 4. Why did the Maharaja decide to get married? 5. When was the Tiger King stand in danger of losing his kingdom? 6. How did the Tiger King manage to retain his kingdom? 7. Why did the Maharaja ban tiger hunting in his state? 8. What sort of hunt did the Maharaja offer to organize for the high-ranking British officer? What trait of the officer does it reveal? No. How did the king kill the tiger? Thus, why did the king order the Dewan to double the tax? Deep water. 8. What is the misadventure that William Douglas speaks about? Though, what were the series of emotions and fears that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool? What plans did he make to come to the surface? 10. How did this experience affect him? 4. Why was Douglas determined to get over his fear of water? 5. How did the instructor build a swimmer out of Douglas? 6. How did Douglas make sure that he conquered the old terror? 7. What sort of terror seized Douglas as he went down the water with a yellow glow? How could he feel that he was still alive?